Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at CVS. It might look a little different to you guys. I'm at a different store across town. I came to the doctor, so I said, well, let me stop at this CVS and see what they have. Guys, I'm going to do a haul where I'm going to get everything on the same receipt because I'm going to use a 32% off coupon. So everything that we're going to get is not on sale, and we're going to use some Ibotta rebates. So the first thing that we're going to grab is some of the Listerine. Now I know I've done this in another video, so hopefully you guys have seen that video. If not, it's okay. But these are $2.69. We're going to get the 32% off of this because they are not on sale. Now these are located in two different places. They're located in the travel section as well as on the shelf with the regular Listerine. But they're $2.69. We're going to get 30% off of that. And we're going to get $2 back for each one on Ibotta. So this is what each one is going to cost us. I'm just bringing up the phone for you. So they're $2.69 times the 32%. So that's going to bring them down to $1.82, and we're going to get $2 back for each one of them on Ibotta. So guess what? That means they're going to be absolutely free for us. Okay, the next item that we're going to get is going to be the Aveeno lotion, and these they're not travel size, but they're not located in the travel section. As you can see, they are located in the regular lotion section, but they're $3.99, and because they're not on sale, we're able to use the 32% off coupon on that. So with the 32% off, they're going to come to $2.71. But we're going to submit to Ibotta, and we're going to get $2 back for those. So I'm going to grab 5 because that is what the limit is for Ibotta. And guys, I'm going to pay with a gift card. Whenever you're using a percentage off CRT, you never want to pay with extra bucks. You always want to pay with a gift card or cash. And the Ibotta limit for the Listerine is 3, so that's why I'm getting those 3. Okay, so that's that. Now, the other thing that I'm going to get are these Lubriderm Lotions. So these Lubriderm Lotions, excuse me, are $4. One second, I put them in my cart without looking. I'll tell you guys how much they are in a minute. Where did I get them from? Oh, okay. So they're $4.59. Okay. So they are $4.59. They're not on sale, and nothing that we're getting extra bucks back with either. So these do qualify for the 32% off. So look, they're going to be $3.12, but we have an Ibotta rebate to get $2.50 off. So each one of these lotions are just going to be 62 cents for us. Now the limit in Ibotta is 5, but this store only has 4, so that's why I'm only grabbing 4. So let's go to our next transaction. One thing I forgot to mention about the Aveeno lotion, I do have a $2 off 10 Aveeno body lotion CRT that we're going to throw in to help lower my price for the lotions also. Okay, the next thing that we're going to pick up is some of these Shea moisture packets. They have the Jamaican black castor oil, they have the raw shea butter, and they have the virgin coconut oil. You guys know I drop something every single video. It never fails. So they have a total of 4. So I'm going to grab all 4. I wanted to get more than that. I wanted to get my total up to 20. 25 because I had a $4 off 25 Shea Moisture hair care CRT, but they don't have enough. So I'm just going to grab those 4. They're $3.79 each. And because they're on sale, because they're not on sale, we're going to be able to use the 32% off. And I'm going to use these 2 coupons. Yes, they expired, but we're still within our 14-day period. And the CVS does take them. So I'm going to grab these 4. I'm going to throw them in the cart. I can't even grab it with the rest of our stuff. Okay, guys, so I never knew that CVS sold these. I just stumbled across these, so I don't know, maybe they're just in certain stores. But I'm going to grab these. They are the little lotions, like they go in your pocketbook. They're 2.53 ounces. They are at the $1.25 store, but I think these are a little bigger than the ones at the $1.25 store. They're $1.30. And because they're not on sale, I'm going to be able to use my 30% off coupon. So I'm going to grab a couple of these. These are great to put in gift baskets, Dove bundles, all kind of things. So I'm going to grab a couple and add them to our. So with the 32% off, the lotions come down to 88 cents. You know I'm grabbing a few. Okay, guys, so I went looking around the store some more. I did find another one of these. So I'm going to have enough to get my $4 off the 25 Shea Moisture products. And I found these in the travel section. I've never seen these before, but they're the virgin coconut oil daily hydration styling gel, and they're actually on clearance. Let me show you guys. They're regularly $4.29. They're regularly, and they're on sale for $3.86. So we can use the 2 off of 5 on here, but we won't be able to use the 32% off. So I'm going to get 2 of those. And then also in the travel section, they had this, which is the spray for the coconut oil. Now this is regular price, so we'll be able to use our 32% off on that. So that's $4.49. So now we have enough with all of our Shea Moisture products to get the 4 off 25. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we're getting today. The 4 Lubriderm lotions. I wanted 5, they only had 4. The 3 Listerines, the 5 Aveeno, all of the Shea Moisture, and the Dove. Remember, none of this is on sale except for the 1 clearance coconut spray, so we won't get the 32% off of that, but we'll get it off of everything else that's in the cart. The only paper coupon we're using is the $2 off, the $5 off 2 Shea Moisture coupon. So we're going to use a total of 4 of those. And then we're going to have the Ibotta rebates for the Lubriderm, for the Aveeno, and for the Listerine. So, and then our 32% off of everything, and our CRT for the Aveeno. So and the CRT for the Shea Moisture. So let's head up to the register. Let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that the Dove is actually ringing up $1.09, and that is the regular price. So the sign is wrong. They are $1.09. Okay guys, I'm out of the store and ready to go over the receipt. So here, the first 2 items are the Shea Moisture styling gels. It says VCO is virgin coconut oil, but it is a Shea Moisture product, as you've seen when I showed it to you. And as a result of that, it's not coded in the machine as a Shea Moisture product or something. So I wasn't able to get my $4 off 25 Shea Moisture products because that wasn't counting towards it. I don't know why. Something strange was going on, but I don't care. I still wanted to get them because I want those products to put in my natural hair gift baskets. So the 32% did come off of those. And then there's all my Shea Moisture masks that I got. Then there's all of the Aveeno lotions. There's all the Doves. There is the Lubriderm that I got. And the Listerines. So my 4 Shea Moisture coupons came off fine. My $2 off 10 Aveeno body lotion came off fine. And look how much that 32% took off, guys. $20. Oh, man. So I paid $46.25 out of pocket. And I paid that with, you see, I paid that with a gift card and a debit card. Whenever you're using a percentage off CRT, remember, you never, ever, ever want to pay with extra bucks. Now, I paid the $46.25 out of pocket, but I got back $26 from Ibotta. Here you see I got $10 back for the Lubriderm lotion. I got $10 back for the Aveeno lotion and $6 back for the Listerine. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch because Fetch is partnered with Dove and Shea Moisture. And as you can see, I got some points back for that to add to my gift cards. And those are the kind of gift cards that I use, guys, to pay for my things from CVS when I use a percentage off. So it's like, to me, they're like free gift cards because you're really not, you were going to buy the things anyway. You're just getting extra points. So I paid $20.26 out of pocket, which I think is a good deal because each one of those Shea Moisture packets, I'm going to charge $2 in my basket for. Each one of those Dove products, I'm going to charge $1 in my baskets for. And the Aveeno lotions, I'm going to charge $2 for. So I'm going to make like a $30-some profit off of this receipt. So guys, thank you guys very much for tuning in. Let me know what deals you're going to do. Let me know if you've already done some deals. Maybe I missed some special Ibotta rebates. But until the next time, keep on saving.